Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to restart T-Mobile 5G gateway to fix connection, reset steps that actually work. To restart or reset your T-Mobile 5G gateway and fix connection issues, unplug the power cable from the back of the device, wait for at least 60 seconds to completely drain residual power, and then plug it back in. This simple power cycle is the single most effective way to clear temporary software errors, resolve slow speeds, and force the gateway to find the fastest cellular band. How to safely restart your gateway soft reset. Method 1. The physical plug method, which is recommended. Press the power button on the back of the device to turn it off. Then unplug the power cable and wait for 60 seconds. After that, plug it back in and allow 2 to 5 minutes for the connection lights to stabilize. Method 2. The T-Life app method. Open the T-Life app, formerly the T-Mobile Home Internet app on your phone. Then go to My Wi-Fi section and select your gateway device. Then tap Restart Gateway. Method 3. The web browser method. Connect the device to your Wi-Fi, open a browser and in it type 192.168.12.1 into the address bar and click enter. Then log in and navigate to system, then expand system management and then restart and reset and choose restart. Now wait for the process to complete. How to factory reset your gateway hard reset. Locate the reset port. Look for a tiny inset hole labeled reset on the back or bottom of your specific gateway model, such as the Archidin, Sage MCOM, or Nokia models. Then straighten a paperclip or use a SIM card removal tool. Press it firmly into the reset hole. Now hold the button down for at least 5 seconds. On newer models like the G4AR or Archidin KVG21, the LCD screen will display a countdown timer. Once the counter hits zero or the screen indicates it is resetting, pull the paperclip out. The gateway will flash its animated logo as it reboots. You will now need to set up your Wi-Fi network again using the default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the bottom sticker of the gateway. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.